Hi everyone, you're welcome to another interesting pattern drafting tutorial. On today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you how to make this stylish bell sleeve that you can see on the screen. On our last tutorial, we drafted the body of this top, including the turtleneck, the stylish hemline, that is the asymmetric hemline, the turtleneck, and every other thing that you can see on this top was done in the last tutorial. Please check the link in the description box to see the whole process of doing that. But this very one is all about this bell sleeve that you can see right here, the basic sleeve, and altering the basic sleeve to a bell sleeve. So without wasting much of your time, I am going to get right into the video. So to make the bell sleeve, we'll start with a plain paper to draft our basic sleeve pattern. So measure from here to about 5 inches downward, or at most 5.5. You rule a horizontal line. Now measure the fattest part of your arm, half of the fattest part of your arm, and connect this to the cap. Now this point, you're going to divide it into 4. I divided it into 3 here in error, so I'm going to correct that right away. So what you're going to divide this into is 4. So that is what I'm doing here. You're going to divide it into 4 equal halves, and here you measure 3/4, here you measure 3/8, and here you measure half downward. So just connect all of those points and then measure the length of your sleeve. It's as simple as that. Just measure the length and draw your horizontal line like this, and then I will go ahead and measure exactly what I have on the biceps. That is the fattest part of the arm. I'll measure the same thing at the hem of the top of this sleeve rather. So having done this, I'm going to cut it out. So I measured exactly what I had at the biceps as the hem of the sleeve because I'm making a bell sleeve, and of course the hem of the sleeve is going to be full anyways, so it's going to still be fuller than this. But if it's a fitted sleeve, you are going to measure around your hand and then go ahead and use that measurement to shape the hem of the sleeve. So now to make your bell sleeve, you're going to go ahead and draw vertical lines like this. Draw as much as you want, but I'm using just 2 vertical lines on the basic sleeve, just as you can see. So after doing that, I will go ahead and slash it and spread. So this is what I have here, is unfold. That is still how you're going to keep your fabric unfold, and then slash all of these slash lines and then spread. So you can see what I have here. I will just go ahead and spread like this. So now I'm connecting all of these points and then drawing this upper part and just round the sleeve. So the more you spread, the fuller the sleeve will be. So what I spread here is just about 1/4 inch for each spread. I hope this makes sense. So after that, this is what I have, and that's your bell sleeve. As easy as that. So go ahead and attach it to the body of the top, and your whole top is complete. Did you enjoy this tutorial? If you did, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell to be the first to know each time I upload my videos. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.